Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set One UI 8.5 3D fluffy widgets on your any Galaxy device with simple and easy method. So let's begin. Okay guys, first add widgets. Like this, simply go to widget setting and set light widget and remember set medium opacity. Now save. Same with calendar widget. Now guys, take screenshot of your home screen. Now open Gemini. Select image and add this screenshot from gallery. I will add screenshot from gallery. Now simply describe this image, convert these widgets into 3D fluffy widgets and search. Look at this. Simply save. Now this image save on gallery. Now guys, remember, before start, let me tell you, you only set these 3D fluffy widgets with single home screen. Now simply delete other all home screens like this. And look at this, I have only single home screen. Now go to gallery. Look at this image. Now go to AI option and clean one by one all widgets like this. Now look at this, I clean widgets, and guys, I know some Galaxy users don't have these AI features on their Galaxy device. Then I already created lots of image like this with 3D fluffy widget. You simply download these images from description and apply like this. Now simply tap on save copy. And simply set this wallpaper only on home screen. Remember, I set this wallpaper only on home screen. Now simply tap on done. Now go to widget settings and remove one by one all widgets background. Look at this, disable background. Simply save. Same with calendar widget and same with weather widget. And look at these guys, 3D fluffy widgets add on my Galaxy device. So guys, you also set these many different type of widgets on your Galaxy device. And guys, remember I provide all images link on description. Simply download and apply on your Galaxy device. So you also add this 1.5 3D fluffy widgets on your any Galaxy device, no matter M series, S series or F series. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.